Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's see one of the ISRO question which was asked in the year 2017. What is the output of the following program? Here they have given a main method followed by set of statements like int a equal to 10 and if statement is there, if fork double equal to 0, a plus plus, and printf statement will be given, right? So guys, how this particular program is going to be executed? So when the condition is going to be satisfied, if it is going to execute a plus plus, irrespective of the condition, always printf statement is going to be executed. Yes, right? Fine. So it is not actually a C question. C language question will look like the same, but here they have covered the concept of fork operating system call, right? So to solve any kind of fork operating system calls, I have already covered the exact concept of fork system calls. You can watch it so that you can able to solve any kind of competitive question, right? Now look into this particular question. As this program is executing, it is execution under user mode. Execute under user mode, right? When it encounters the fork method, or I can say fork system call, the kernel will be moved into the kernel mode. Okay, and it is going to execute and it will return either a negative value 0 or a positive value, guys, right? So for child process it is going to create return 0. For parent process it is going to create positive value, and if it is not going to create it, it is going to return the value negative value, right? So to make it more clarity, again just go with the previous video where I have explained entire concept, right? So now once it encounters a fork method, so as of now process P1 is executing the code, when the same code will be there, right? So just I am writing, when fork is encountered, it is going to create a child process. Let me call P2, and it contains what code? The same code only. The same code only it is going to have. Now either P1 will execute first or P2 will execute first. That depends upon the scheduling algorithms. Assume that I am executing the P1 itself, right? So as is f double equal to 0, is fork double equal to 0? No, because it is a parent process. Parent process will return positive value. When it returns the positive value, as positive value is not equal to 0, it will execute directly the next lines of code. So your output will be 10 here. Parallelly, here it is going to execute the if fork double equal to 0. Yes, it is true, as written the true. It is going to execute the next lines of code, that is a plus plus. What is the value of a already? Already is 10, so now it will be 11. Then it will execute the next line of code, so answer will be here 11. So your answer is going to be 10 and 11, or if they give 11 and 10, it is also correct, guys, but not the remaining things. Okay, fine. Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.